Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Frostbyte. I've got two packages here that I want to open with you. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open these. These came from the Wounded Warrior. And the Wounded Warrior benefit was a great success this year. And I picked this particular coin up. I've been waiting to get this coin for quite some time. It finally came across the Wounded Warrior, and the price was right, and I had to do this. This came from Adam Hartman, and what I want to show you is, you guys know I like the various hordes and stuff, and I just had to pick this up. So this is one of my hordes. It's actually an interesting story about the government maintaining a surplus in order to meet the demand of population. And this is the GSA, and this is in 1984, Carson City, probably MS 62, 63, and just a great piece. And you can see, again, the reverse. The reverse on this coin is very nice. It's got some bag marks and stuff on it, but it's a great coin, and I'm really, really happy to get this in. This is one of the few things that I was really looking for. I know there were other people that were going for the same thing in the auction. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to determine what VAM it is, and then I'll post an update regarding that. But there's the Carson City certificate. Again, really neat piece. And then the other items, the other coins, I guess I should say, that are here are something that I have traded and purchased with a member in our community named Supreme Ginger Stacker. Now, Supreme and I have done a lot of trading back and forth. We've done a lot of shifting of silver and things of that nature. And there are, this is a piece that I've been waiting for a while. Really nice poker chips. Actually like those, one for me and one for Bifrost. So I really appreciate that a ton. Thank you so much for that, Ginger. But this is the piece that I've been waiting for. And this was the final installment, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, of the series. This is Comsco, and this is the Raphael, I believe. Fabulous piece, amazing detail, just really, really cool. So now I have all of these. I've always liked swords as a kid, and then it's got some engraving on the edge. You can see the lettered edge. Really neat piece, very well done, but I've been waiting for this piece for a while, so thank you for that. But it wasn't just that. I actually got a couple other things as well. So let's go through, and he said that he had sent me a couple other items. So let's open this up and see what it is that we got. All right, this is my ship. This is the Anne Bonny. Now you guys know how I am with my ships. 2021. Really nice piece. I keep forgetting British coins flip this way, American coins flip this way. Very nice piece. And then there is another piece here, which is my little gold. It's a ship coin, very small, but it's a really neat piece. That's going to go in my little gold ship section. And then I got an 1891 CC. We're going to look at the VAM on this one as well. Again, working on my CCs. We've already done the verification and the validation on this coin as being authentic. 1.6 million. It's a really nice coin. So a huge thank you to him. And then he sent a couple to Bifrost. And these are for her. So huge thank you to do that, Ginger. That's always nice to think of my daughter. And then the final piece, oops, was the shield. And I didn't get all of the shields, but this is definitely one that I needed to have. I still got 2 other shields that I need to get, but this is clearly the one that goes with this. You can see the shield in his hand there. It's just absolutely amazing. So Ginger, thank you so much for the time and the effort that you took to work with me and coordinate with me on this particular sets of pieces. Some amazing things here. And so again, just a fun package. I've been waiting for this to come in for a while we finished doing all of our other stuff. So thank you so much for that. And then again, Wounded Warriors, you guys got to go check out Wounded Warriors and all the amazing stuff that they did there. The donator for this one was Sassy Susan. All right, folks, thank you so much for your time. Be well, be blessed, and I will see you in the streams. Take care.